Okay, that's like I thought recording, but they're way over there. They're honking. Oh my god. Our chicken, our soup is like, oh, that's our soup. It's frozen. And they're like over there. They're coming back.
I'm gonna go right back here.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What?
They're going down the hill. They didn't even come over here.
They're recording now.